Venmo is a great way to send money between you and your friends, but what if I told you I was able to make hundreds of dollars per day simply by abusing this trick in Venmo? Today, I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys so you can make money too. Let's go. Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how complete beginners are making money from Venmo, and you guys can do it too. This method is absolutely insane and has allowed me to go ahead and make a quick $1,000 this month, and I want to go ahead and show it to you guys. And honestly, I haven't touched upon this yet. I have done Cash App and I have done other various money making methods, but this is definitely a new one. One thing that you should probably be touching is that subscribe button because we're so close to 10,000. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. In order to do the first method, you're going to need two apps. The first one is going to be Venmo and the second one is going to be Twitter, aka X. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you head over to Twitter, you want to find the official Venmo page. They should have a yellow check mark here so you know that you are on the right page. So typically Venmo will have these posts where they're giving out free money. It could be anywhere between 10,000 and all the way up to 15,000. You may have to scroll a little bit because they're always posting, but let's go to see if we can find one. As you can see right here, it says, who can I Venmo for a cool breeze? Obviously, what they want you to do is put your Venmo hashtag down in the description below. So right here, we just found one. It's going to be, who can I Venmo for a cool breeze? Obviously, they want you to put your Venmo handle down in the comment section below. And a bunch of people actually went ahead and did that. And I think maybe other people might actually pay you as well. But you're really relying on Venmo to randomly select you and they're going to pay you out. This could be anywhere from 10,000 to all the way up to 15,000 as well. So it could be a very big payoff, but it is pretty competitive because a lot of people are looking to get free money. But let me show you guys some more practical ways on how to get money because this is pretty out there and I'm not sure if everybody is really up for the game of chance, but it's not a chance. It's our next method. For our next method, it's going to be add a poll, and I know what you guys are saying, paid surveys in 2024, but trust me guys, this is a really good method. Simply download the app and you want to sign up for a brand new account. When you guys are signing up, you want to type in the code dbfcm. That code will be giving you guys a free 50 cents when signing up, and as you can see already, I have made over $70 with this app and I need to go ahead and cash out. And the best part about this app is you can cash out directly to PayPal, which is going to be a subsidiary of Venmo, which is really cool. You also have other options such as Amazon gift cards, Home Depot, Fanatics, ASOS, and even Walmart. So you have some great options. You can also donate to charity or cash out directly to your Revolut card. Right over here are some of the surveys which don't take any time at all, so let me show you guys. It says, do you use cell phones? Obviously I use it for personal and business, but I'm going to go ahead and say business here. Personally, I only like staying at 4-star hotel chains. If it actually goes underneath that, then the quality is going to be really bad, and it doesn't feel like you're actually paying for a good place to stay. Now it's just asking us about our drink preferences. Personally, I don't really drink a lot of this stuff, not really any juice. I kind of had to lay off the coffee recently, but let's go ahead and go over to the next question. No one has been diagnosed with any of these, which is good. How many wheels does a car usually have? This is going to be a speed trap, so if you're not paying attention, they're going to get you and disqualify you. Obviously, you want to go ahead and select 4 if you're paying attention, and just like that, we made a free cent. I know it's not a lot of money, but you can see that there's higher paying ones. I wanted to get that one out of the way to show you, but this app is pretty lucrative when you really get into it. Just in case you forgot to put in the code, go over to the far right tab, and you want to find a section where it does say enter referral code, and you guys will be able to go to type in the code dbfcn just like that. When you guys first get on the app, you're going to be greeted with a clean, sleek UI, which is definitely a lot better compared to add a poll. Heading over to the referral section, you can see that I have referred a decent amount of people and have made a good amount of money. In total, I have made over $800 with this app. And if you guys want to go ahead and get a free dollar, simply type in the code GUDW4I. That code will be giving you guys a free dollar survey, and who doesn't like free money? So you guys could actually possibly be making already $1.50 simply by just watching this video. How crazy is that? And obviously the minimum cash out is going to be $5, so keep that in mind. But they have a bunch of different options compared to Adapul's $3. That could be a big deciding factor if you want to go with either app, but I can promise you that this app is one of the more higher paying ones, and they're pretty generous. Taking a look at all the rewards here, they have PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Target, they have Panera Bread, even donating to charity as well, Texas Roadhouse, you guys name it, Lowe's, Starbucks, it's all here. And if you guys are to go to cash out to those types of gift cards, they're great options. But if you want to get this money on Venmo, I highly recommend using a Visa gift card or just depositing to PayPal, and then you can go ahead and transfer it over to Venmo. But let's go over to the last method inside of this video, because I don't want you to miss out on this one. For our last method, it's going to be to download the app called Cash App. And I know what you're saying, what does Venmo have to do with Cash App? But honestly guys, this is one of the better methods to make money. Simply go ahead and download Cash App, and you want to make a brand new account. This only works on brand new accounts. If it's an older account, this method will not work. Once you guys are signing up, you do want to type in the code DR918W7. That code will be giving you guys a free $5, granted that you do send $5 to a friend or family member within 14 days, so keep that in mind. And just in case you forgot to put in the referral code when signing up, go up to the top right, scroll all the way down, and it's going to say enter referral code within the first 14 days, and you guys can send $5 to a friend or family member, and it's super easy. And I've been making a lot of money off of this method. Let me show you guys. So heading over here, you can see that I can make a good amount of money simply by inviting these people, 15 per, and this is pretty much how I can do it. And I can use this money pretty much anywhere I want to go. I could use it on Venmo, PayPal, or even Cash App directly, but I just like withdrawing this money to my bank account, and I can be on my way. And I don't like being restricted to one app, but I don't know about you guys, but this is one of the better methods of making money. They also have great discounts as well with the cash card, so it's highly advised, and it's completely free to get. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys are enjoyed and were able to go out and get some free Venmo money. I know I was able to, and I actually made a lot of money just by following the steps in this video, and I'm always giving out some free sauce. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift Rate Reviews. Bye.